హాయ్ అండి. నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఇవాళ వీడియోలో ఎస్ఎస్‌సి జీడీకి సంబంధించి ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ 20 బిట్స్ అయితే మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను. వీడియోనైతే స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అంతకంటే ముందు ఫస్ట్ టైం ఎవరైతే నా ఛానల్‌ని విజిట్ చేస్తున్నారో ఈ వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇచ్చి ఛానల్ అయితే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి ద లాంగెస్ట్ రివర్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ ఈజ్. ద గివెన్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ ఏ అమెజాన్, ఆప్షన్ బి నైల్, ఆప్షన్ సి యాంగ్చ్ అండ్ ఆప్షన్ డి గ్యాంగస్. And the correct answer is option B, Nile. Second one, who is known as the Missile Man of India? The given options are option A, Sir C.V. Raman, and option B, APJ Abdul Kalam, option C, Homi Bhabha, and option D, Vikram Sarabhai. The correct answer is option B, APJ Abdul Kalam. The capital of Australia is. Given options A, Sydney, option B, Melbourne, option C, Canberra, and option D, Brisbane. The correct answer is option C, Canberra. Next, fourth one, the first woman to win a Nobel Prize was. The given options A, Mother Teresa, option B, Marie Curie, option C, Indira Gandhi, and option D, Florence Nightingale. The correct answer is option B, Marie Curie. Next, fifth one, who wrote the national anthem of India? Given options A, Rabindranath Tagore, option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, option C, Mahatma Gandhi, and option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. And the correct answer is option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Next, sixth one, the largest planet in our solar system is. Given options A, Earth, B, Saturn, C, Venus, and option D, Jupiter. And the correct answer is option D, Jupiter. The next one, the Battle of Plassey was fought in. Options, option A, 1757, B, 1857, C, 1805, and option D, 1764. And the correct answer is option A, 1757. The currency of Japan is. Given options A, yen, option B, 1, option C, yuan, and option D, ringgit. So the correct answer is option A, yen. The next one, which organ is responsible for blood purification? Given options A, heart, B, liver, C, kidney, and the last option is D, lungs. So the correct answer is option C, kidney. The next 10th one, the father of the Indian Constitution is. Options, option A, Jawaharlal Nehru, option B, B.R. Ambedkar, option C, Mahatma Gandhi, and option D, Sardar Patel. And the correct answer is option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Next one, the first Indian satellite launched in space was. Given options, option A, Bhaskara, and option B, Aryabhatta, and option C, INSAT 1B, and option D, Rohini. And the correct answer is option B, Aryabhatta. Next one, the highest civilian award in India is. Given options, option A, Padma Shri, option B, Padma Bhushan, and option C, Bharat Ratna, option D, Paramveer Chakra. And the correct answer is option C, Bharat Ratna. The Great Wall of China was built to. Options, option A, protect trade routes, and option B, keep out invaders, option C, mark territory, and option D, increase tourism. The correct answer is option B, keep out invaders. The largest desert in the world is the given options. Option A, Sahara Desert. Option B, Arabian Desert. And option C, Gobi Desert. And option D, Kalahari Desert. So the correct answer is option A, Sahara Desert. The Indian National Congress was found in options. Option A, 1857. Option B, 1885. Option C, 1906. And option D, 1947. And this question's correct answer is option B, 1885. The next one, who invented the telephone? The given options are A, Thomas Edison. Option B, James Watt. Option C, Guglielmo. And option D, Alexander Graham Bell. And the correct answer is option D, Alexander Graham Bell. The Mughal emperor known as Jinda Fir was given options A, Akbar. Option B, Babur. And option C, Aurangzeb. And option D, Humayun. The correct answer is option C, Aurangzeb. The next one, India's first president was options. Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Rajendra Prasad. Option C, Sardar Patel. And option D, Lal Bahadur Shastri. And the correct answer is option B, Rajendra Prasad. The next one, the basic structural and functional unit of life is given options. Option A, tissue. Option B, organ. And option C, cell. Option D, system. And the correct answer is option C, cell. Okay friends, thank you. Have a nice day.